Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Myself Mahmoud Hassan. It's another video. So guys, I hope you understand what today's video is about. Today's video is train travel. So guys, I will show you what happened to me on this train journey today. We are now at Doyarampur on Boral River. We left home at 6 am and our train was at 7 am. Today's video is up to Santahar junction. So let's watch some videos of the road. Guys, we come to Abdulpur railway station. We left home without eating, so we come to Abdulpur railway station, had fried potatoes. This is a famous dish here. Guys, our train is coming. We will board the train now, so let's get on the train. The sky was coolly and it was very nice to see the surroundings. An interesting thing is that I was standing near the gate when a policeman came to me and asked me give money. So I told the policeman that I have a ticket. Actually, TT is responsible for ticketing ticket or ticket money. Why should police take ticket money? Anyway, we come to Natore station to see. Natore station looking very nice. So guys, the train was a bit crowded after arriving at the Natore station. Guys, we are coming to Santahar junction. So guys, it's Santahar Bazaar. So guys, if you like this short vlog of mine, like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay by my side and stay with us by ringing the bell icon next to get the next video. Thanks for watching this video.